Well, we're going to save these colocasias for next year. They kind of propagate themselves, and you can root these, and sometimes they already have roots on them. And you can pot them up and save them. Best to do, what I would do is I would pot this whole thing up in a container and keep watering it until the first frost, and then I would bring it inside, either into probably the garage or someplace in a cool, dark place. And then you can cut off the dead foliage and let it dry out for the winter and keep it that way. Or you can cut off the foliage and get all of the dirt out of it. In fact, you probably want to rinse this, make sure all the dirt's off of them. And again, put this in a cool, dry place for the winter and plant it again this next spring.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.